If you're accustomed to working in Adobe software, you may already be familiar with these lines here that are called guides. They help you keep track of certain points on your video, and they are very useful. And I'm going to show you in this video how to create them, how to save one as a template, and how to change their color, and also how to delete them. So let's get started. First off, the way you get guides is you need these buttons here, Show Guides, which turns them on and off, and also Show Rulers. Technically, you don't need Show Rulers. You can just have your program selected and go to View and create guides from here, but you'll be doing it all numerically, and it's a little more intuitive just to drag them. So I'm going to show you both ways. First off, if you don't have these buttons, which you probably don't if you've never used them before, you need to go to your button editor, which is this little plus sign, hit that, and you'll see them here, Show Rulers and Show Guides. I'm going to reset my layout so it looks like it would originally. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag and drop them into my bottom menu so that they're always available. And then I'm going to hit OK. And now they're both turned on. I can see my rulers here and I can see my lines here. And if I hover over one of the lines, I can move it. But let me show you how to create one first. So you're going to hover over the ruler area, either on the left-hand side or on the top. And when you get that double arrow icon, you're going to drag down, holding down the left mouse button until you want the ruler to stop or the guide to stop. You'll see my guides here. A couple of them are pink because I had changed their color. And in order to change the color of a guide, you're going to go back to your ruler area, hover over it so that you get that double arrow, right-click, and go to Add Guide, and you can change the color here. You can also change the position and create your guide this way, and I am going to walk you through that. So first, let's clear our guide so we can start from scratch. I'm gonna make sure my program is selected, so this viewport needs to be selected. Any other viewport, and you won't get the same options under your view menu. So with this selected, I'm gonna go to my view menu, hit that, and go to Clear Guides. Okay, so now we're starting from scratch. Another thing I want to do is I want to change my rulers to percents if they're not already that. So I'm going to right click over my ruler and make sure it's percent and not pixels, because that is going to be important when I create my rule of thirds guide, which I'm going to create in this video. So now I can add some guides, and I'm going to do it not the drag and drop way, but I'm going to do it the numerical way. So I have a guide here. What if I want to just get rid of one guide and I don't want to go to my view menu? All I have to do is hover over it until I get that double arrow and scroll it into this gray zone here, and then it disappears. So that's pretty easy. And now I'm going to create some new guides. So I'm going to hover over my ruler, right click, and go to Add Guide. And what I want to do is create a rule of thirds guide, one that splits my image into thirds horizontally and vertically. So in order to do that, I'm going to need to make my position 33.3%. I've got percent selected. You can change your color if you feel more like a blue or whatever. You can do that. Okay. And I'll start with horizontal, then I'll make vertical. So we'll do that. That looks good. Hit OK. Okay, I've got a horizontal line here. So now I need another. And I can also hover over this side and do it through that way as well. So I can add a guide. Let's do 66.6. That'll do the next third, and horizontal again. And there we go. Now we're split horizontally here into thirds. Let's do it vertically. Add guide 33.3. We're going to do vertical. That's what we need to change. Make sure your units make sure your units are in percent, by the way. That's really important if you're going to make a rule of thirds guide. Okay. Okay. One last time, add guide. Okay. All right, cool. So now we have a nice guide. I can keep track of important spaces within my video frame. And in order to save this guide so that I can use it in the future, I'm going to go back to View, make sure your program window is still selected, and go to Guide Templates and go to Save Guides as Templates. And I'm going to call this Thirds. Okay, cool. So now If I want to go back and see a different guide, I can go to my view, guide templates, I can go to safe margins, switch it up. That's what a safe margin guide looks like, and that comes built in. So I didn't create this. This actually comes with Premiere. And then now I can switch back to my rule of thirds by just going back to view, templates, thirds. Cool. And there we go. That's my rule of thirds guide. If I don't want to look at the guide, or if I don't want to look at the rulers anymore, I can just pop them off here and pop them on when convenient. So this is so helpful, and you'll find yourself using this more and more. It'll keep your video looking organized and sleek, and you can keep track of different points. So I hope this helped you guys. Please check out my playlist in Premiere for more like this, and thank you so much for watching.
If you want to support me and see what I've been working on, check out my explainer video channel.